I'm Amber.
Hi, I'm AJ, and welcome to Mountain Traditions Homestead. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Traditions Homestead. Today is Firearms Friday. I know it's been a while since the last one. I'm joined today by Jacob. He's being a little camera shy for some reason, but
I don't use cameras in my videos, okay?
He has his own gaming channel. We might link the description below, maybe, possibly, I don't know. Today is going to be part one of a two-part video. The second part's going to be a little more fun and extravagant than this one. But today we're going to be talking about this. This is a Traditions Firearms replica of a Kentucky rifle. They're also known as the Pennsylvania rifle, American long rifle, and another name I cannot remember.
Remember.
I just can't remember.
Well, you should.
They were a very common rifle, produced from 1700 to 1900. They were brought. The design was brought from Germany by German immigrants. They were the first rifles to have rifling in the barrels, which of course made the trajectory of the bullet straighter, versus if you know, a smooth bore will make the bullet bounce back and forth, and God knows where the bullet goes after that. They were used in a lot of our wars, including the Revolutionary War and the Civil War. Until 1850, they were flintlock models. If you don't know what a flintlock model was, this one in particular is a percussion model. You just put a
cap.
Thank you. A cap right there, and fill it. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. But a flintlock would have a little pan right here. You put black powder in, and you had a little rope that you lit the end of it. And when you pulled the trigger, it's a lot of work. It's what we're getting ready to get into. But the flintlock models, when you pulled the trigger, the lit rope would hit the pan of black powder. It would ignite the powder behind the bullet and eject it out the end of the barrel. This one has a, like I said, a percussion that shoots cap, or explodes a cap. But this, like I said, is a Traditions replica. I wished it was an original, but they cost a lot of money.
I've got a question. Why are we naming a that after like drums and the triangle and stuff from band? Percussion.
Percussion
is like a sound or
a vibration.
A vibration. Thank you, band major. Rhett.
It's not a majorette.
We don't know how to pronounce
well, you
it.
conducted the band, whatever that is. We're leaving that in there.
Yes.
Anyway, this one has been sitting on the shelf for a very long time. I haven't shot it in a very long time. So we're going to disassemble it, clean it up real good, and part two of the video will be us test firing it from a safe distance.
I will be hiding in my room.
We'll show you how to do that, but safely, but without a bullet, obviously. But before we start disassembling this, a few more little factoids here. They were made in several different calibers, ranging from 25 to 62 caliber. Most common were 40 to 48 caliber. This particular model is a 50 caliber. And until the development of the mini ball, everybody shot, of course, standard
Steel bullets.
well, they're all lead. Standard lead balls, which can actually mangle the rifling in there if used enough. Nowadays, well, since the Civil War anyway, I don't remember the date. Please forgive me, Mr. Questenberry, if you actually watch. That was my high school history teacher. This is a modern version of the mini ball. That's what we shoot in it now.
God.
It's lead, son. It's heavy.
Well, it's full of gunpowder too, so.
But
I
of
suggest you
course,
don't drop it.
shooting the balls, you have to have wadding and all that. The average time it took to load one of these you could get 2 shots a minute if you were good at it. But I'm not that good at loading that quick. So we're going to go ahead and get started dismantling this, or disassembling it, and we'll go from there.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, we've got it pretty much broke down. As you can see, the trigger mechanism is very simple. Just a very strong spring right there. And there's your trigger.
Didn't seem simple when we were taking it apart.
And your trigger hits that and causes the hammer to hit the primer. I could not get the pins out. I'm gonna work on that off camera probably.
There's a little piece back where you can push it out.
But that's it, broke down. I'm cleaning it up. I'm gonna spray off from that. Then we'll get it back together, and part 2 will be testing it out, or maybe the later part of this video. I'm not sure yet, depending on how much content we got. Will be us test firing it in a safe manner, and I'll show y'all how to do that if you have a gun that you're not sure about. I learned this from an old Army buddy of mine. An old buddy of mine that was in the Army, let me rephrase that. But we'll see y'all.